And now the time seems to have finally come for the big generational shift in the BJP's top leadership. The BJP Parliamentary Board meets today and tomorrow and is expected to formally decide on the 52-year-old Maharashtra BJP chief Nitin Gadkari taking over from Rajnath Singh as National Party President and entrepreneur. Gadkari is known to be close to the RSS leadership, and in fact RSS chief Mohan Bhagwat was the one who had first indicated that someone from outside Delhi should be the party chief. And as already reported, L.K. Advani is likely to quit as leader of opposition in the Lok Sabha today. 57-year-old Sushma Swaraj, deputy leader in the Lok Sabha, is tipped to succeed Advani, who makes way under an RSS-conceived move to usher in younger leadership against the background of the debacle in the Lok Sabha polls. Now, Advani may be made the chairman of the BJP Parliamentary Party, a post to be created by amending the party, constitution. And soon after the Lok Sabha defeat, the BJP veteran had suggested to the party top brass to choose a new leader of opposition, but it was ignored and he was chosen for the post. And for more on this, let's go across to Prakash Javadekar, the BJP spokesman who joins us from the capital. Well, good morning, sir, and thanks very much for joining us. So finally, is the BJP moving towards a generational change, sir?
Yeah, basically after the parliament election, we had already planned a series of organizational meetings in which because already the term of the incumbent president expires, so we have to elect new president. The whole election process is on in all the states. Somewhere it is at district level, somewhere it has come to the state level. So by January, mid-January, I hope that more than 20-25 states will be over the elections, and then there will be the central parties elections.
Right. Is Nitin Gadkari final as your BJP president?
No, tomorrow I can say as a spokesman that tomorrow there is a parliamentary boards meeting which can take any decision about the policies and personalities, but it is their purview, and I will not appropriate their authority. So you will know tomorrow evening what they have decided. And today our parliamentary party very important meeting is being held at 5:30, and there also we are going to take some important decisions. But those decisions you will have to wait for confirmation till they are taken.
Right, but when the RSS indicated that somebody from outside Delhi should be the BJP president, should lead the BJP right now. Is that something you're really looking at? So would Nitin Gadkari fit in that sense?
Let me clear the confusion. Never ever RSS chief Mohan Bhagwat has said that somebody will be the president and somebody will not be the president. What he essentially said that this was the understanding of the BJP which was conveyed to him, and he was just reproducing what was conveyed to him by the BJP senior leadership. So BJP's decisions are taken by BJP. We are one ideological parivar. Many of us are Sangha Swayamsevaks, and we are proud of that. But as an ideological parivar, they don't interfere in day-to-day matters. Let it be BMS, BJP, ABVP or the VHP, they function independently and autonomously.
Right. You said you all are meeting later today. What are the decisions you are taking in the meeting today, sir?
Yeah, we are basically, will be definitely discussing, and because Advani ji has some plan in his mind, and the parliamentary party is authorized to take decision, then already there is Sushma Swaraj, a deputy leader. So there are n number of things. As you know, even Jaswant Singh ji has resigned from PSC, which the chairmanship of which will be for the BJP as a main opposition party. So there are various matters, and overall we will be reviewing the whole session, and particularly the government's role, which they are now government party and their partners are disturbing the proceedings, and they are not allowing parliament to function. So that also will take stock of.
Right. Mr. Javadekar, thanks very much for joining us this morning on Breakfast News. Well, BJP all set for a generational change. Nitin Gadkari likely to be the next BJP president as Rajnath Singh steps down.
Tuba.com